Hello everyone, welcome to my Panty Anarchy cosplay makeup tutorial. This look is specifically for the Angel version. I wore this makeup last year for my Victoria's Secret Angel Panty Anarchy cosplay. I wanted to keep the look simple while still being sexy and glamorous. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put in my circle lenses. These are blue, though I guess technically teal blue. And then I'm going to prime my face. You can use whatever you want. A silicone primer is just my go-to. And then I'm going to apply foundation. You want to go for a medium or full coverage to give yourself that really flawless, smooth finish. And then to set everything in place, I'm going to be using a translucent powder. This will also help to take away any shine from the foundation. And then I'm going to contour my face to add some definition. Then I'm going to apply a little bit of a dusty rose pink blush just to add a little bit of color. Then I'm going to highlight with a warm toned champagne color to add a soft, warm glow. Next are the eyebrows. Now you can do them however you want. All I'm doing is just combing them through, outlining them with a brow pencil just to give them a nice shape. And then I run through the brows with a pomade to further color them in and sort of tie everything together. Now we're going to move on to the eyes. I'm going to take a white cream color and apply it all over the lid and blend it out carefully up to the crease with my finger. And you do want to work one eye at a time. Then I'm going to pat on a light teal color eyeshadow. This particular one also has a gold shimmer. And then surprise, do this all again on the lower lash line. For a more precise application, I would recommend using a much smaller brush. And then you want to create a slightly dramatic wing with black liquid eyeliner. So I had to switch products because the first one I was using was drying out. Then I'm going to tightline with black eyeliner. Then brighten up the waterline with a white eyeliner. Then I'm going to apply a black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And here are the lashes. They're wispy, dramatic, pretty. I think they go really well with this look. And then last but not least are the lips. I'm going to outline and fill in my lips with a peachy nude color. And then I'm going to apply a generous amount of clear lip gloss on top. I love a glossy lip. And then to lock everything in place, use a setting spray. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more videos like this and other fun things. And until next time, please take care and stay well.